In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw your earnings on Pocket Option. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, knowing how to efficiently cash out your profits is key to a successful trading experience. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple, straightforward process of withdrawing your funds. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Pocket Option account and are on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for all trading activities. Once there, glance up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small picture icon, most likely your profile picture, placed conveniently for easy access to your account settings and withdrawal section. Give that picture icon a click. This action will open a menu with several options tailored to manage your account preferences, and execute important tasks. Scroll down that menu until you spot the withdrawal option and select it. Clicking here takes you to the next screen, where you are presented with your total account balance. This figure represents the funds you've earned through buying low and selling high. Congratulations on making it to this stage. Now, it's time to decide on your preferred method for receiving your hard-earned money. Pocket Option provides various options to suit different needs, but for today's example, we'll focus on the bank transfer method, a reliable choice for many users due to its simplicity and directness. With bank transfer chosen as your method, it's time to fill in the necessary details. Start by entering the amount you wish to withdraw. This is crucial. Double-check the figure to ensure it's the correct amount you intend to transfer to your bank account. Next, provide your bank account number. Make sure this is accurate, as incorrect details could delay processing your transaction. You will then move on to specify your bank. Write the name clearly to avoid any mix-ups, especially if your bank has a common name. Following this, you'll need to input the IFSC code. This code is vital as it ensures your funds are routed correctly through your bank's network, so verify it thoroughly before proceeding. The last section requires you to input your first and last name. This should match the name associated with your bank account to ensure smooth processing. With all the information correctly entered and double-checked, hit the Continue button. That's it. Your withdrawal request has been submitted. Remember, processing times can vary. Your bank will typically handle these transactions, so allow for some time for the funds to reflect in your account. Now you can feel at ease knowing your earnings are on their way, ready to fulfill your financial goals. Thank you for following along, and until next time, happy trading!